Okay guys, in order to turn on your locking differential, what you're going to want to do is just go down to where your four-wheel drive is here, and this symbol right here is actually for your locking differential. If you don't have that, then you probably don't have a locking differential, but all you got to do is pull this knob out. So we're going to pull it, and there we go. As you can see there, it shows that the back is locked, and it shows there also that the back is locked. So that's all you got to do. In order to disengage it, you're going to push it back in, and you can see that the yellow has disappeared and you're back in regular driving mode.